What's going on? Unboxing time. Picked this up not too long ago. Maybe just a little over a week, well, about 2 weeks ago, I think it was. Anyways, let's open this up and take a closer look at all these. And that's the only thing I bought today, Hot Wheels related, or diecast related in any form, was just one of these Dollar Tree cases. Since this is a little themed set, I'm gonna go in there afterwards, and I'll probably do what I did like the JDM set and cut some of that out to put in like backdrop on there. But I'll do that on my own time. But anyways, let's get this open. And let's make sure it's not stickered shut. Okay, yep, there we go. The tape from the top here. Alright, so this should be pretty easy to open up. Alright. Yeah, I'm trying to save this little back part. Anyways, so we gotta. Alright, this one ain't too terrible. Slide. Well, that's all. This is all taped down, so that's gonna be not fun. It's taped and rubber banded. This. Alright, okay, let's get the tape off first. Oh, I'm not messing up the cars. The other side, you're trying to get this off of here. And then, yep, some sirens in the background. Oops, let's hope I'm not scratching nothing up. It's the downside to some of these box sets. Especially if you want to open them up, it's kind of a pain in the butt. Alrighty, get these little rubber bands off. Or at least off of this part anyways, and I'll have to flip them over and get them off the car themselves. And yeah, I did do a little bit of a hunt today, but I found nothing. To like 7 different stores. The one had like restock was a bunch of stuff I already got, so yeah. Now we just gotta get the rubber bands off of the cars themselves before we can get into looking at these a little closer. And this is a pain in the butt. Alright. Yeah, the stores I hit today were 3 Dollar Trees, neighborhood market, a Walmart, and what the heck is this? All the way through that? What the hell? Well, dang, this one's all the way through the thing. That's not fun. I also hit a Kohl's. They generally have too much new in since the last time I went there, where I found the Megalodon Monster Jam Chase at. And let's go through this. Wow. There's a lot of not so fun rubber band crap on here. Alright, come on, let's get off there. Okay, let's go. Okay. Then I also hit a neighborhood market. Still had a bunch of 2023 stuff. Then a regular one didn't have anything new out. One of the Dollar Trees only had like 3 Hot Wheels and a bunch of like short card Matchbox. But all stuff that I do already have. And I also went to the Hobby Lobby. Yeah, nothing really new since the last time I went there either. This is the worst part about these box sets, getting these little rubber bands off of here. Without trying to wrecked the car. Alright, this one might have to just have a piece stuck in there. Alright, let's come on. And I think that was all the stores I hit. I think I named, yeah, $3 Trees, Walmart, neighborhood Walmart, and then the Hobby Lobby, and the Kohl's. And this is a pain in the butt. Alright, well, nope, still got some on this tire. Come on, get out of there. One more, and we'll finally take a closer look at these things. And looks like these might have plastic tires like the JDM box one did. Okay, that one really wants to sit in there. See, okay, there we go. Alright, now that we got all that crap out of the way, let's go and look at this Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Man, that was not fun getting all that off of there. Look at that. Pretty nice. Awesome. Dodge on the back there. And then, yeah, these are plastic tires. It does have the suspension though. Alright, we do have the suspension on this. And then, yeah, all these are just gonna have the opening doors on each one of these. So there's your Dodge Challenger. And then this one's the Nissan Z. This particular colorway is exclusive to this box pack. See right there, exclusive thing there. It's like a highlighter yellow. Got the purple on the rims there. It's kind of nice. Got the suspension. Alright, let's check what the scale was on this one, because they all have various scales. This one is 166. This one is going to be, at the bottom here, 158. 158, so a little smaller. Or actually, no, this would be larger. Yeah. 66, so this would be smaller than the 64 scale. So it's a little bigger. Got the opening doors. Both sides there. Got the little inserted pieces for the headlights on that one. Whereas that one's part of the window piece itself. This one appears to be inserted pieces, like separate. And yeah, it probably has still have a rubber band. Yep. There we go. That's why it's not rolling. There's still a piece stuck in there. And then we got the Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5-16 Evo 2. Long name. Let's go ahead and look at the scale first. This one is going to be 159. So a little bit bigger. Got the suspension. Opening doors. And then the driver's side door doesn't open very far. That's interesting. Look at that. Driver's side door is only going out that far, where the passenger side one is like Huh. That's odd. But, oh, still pretty nice looking. This part is metal. So, yeah, there's that one. There's the Mercedes there. And, okay, that's wrong. I thought I might have had a piece still stuck in there. And we got this other exclusive to the pack. DS7E Tenths. DS maybe a European brand. I don't know. Never heard of it. And then E10, so obviously almost like an electric vehicle. And still got a piece of rubber band stuck in here. Come on. Get out of there. Ay. This looks like does have like a tow hitch on the back here if you had something, if they made something that went with it. But looks like it'd be a pain in the butt to get in there though. It's like a little clip-in section right there. But this is a nice little like matte pink on here though. That's pretty cool. And the way the rims are on it, kind of cool too. Yeah, there's opening doors. Alright, this one's a little more even on that. You got that one. And the scale on this is 159 as well. Alright, it's actually kind of nice. And then last we have this Alfa Romeo Tonale. This one, not as cool as the rest of them as far as like the color schemes go. But the actual car itself is not too bad looking. And this one's going to be 159 as well. So these last three were all 159. Suspension. So the doors do on this. Alright, so just the Mercedes had the issue with the doors. Yeah, alright, well, there you have that. They all roll pretty good once you get all that rubber band crap out of there. That would definitely be last. And then I'd go probably Nissan Z. And then I'm gonna go Mercedes. And then top two being the Charger, and then this thing that I never heard of. I don't know, that color on there is just really cool. Anyways, yeah, a little unboxing of the Majorette limited edition gift pack. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.